back, guys. So in this short tutorial I want to show you guys how to get free VPN files from our blog. Some have been complaining that they find it difficult to get the files from the blog. So if you have your smartphone with you, just open the browser, being it Google or Bing, any of the browsers. Let's open our browser. Then in the search bar you type DZ1 info. DZ, as we all know, DZ1 info. It's a blogspot listen. So the first one, why is this messing up? The first one, this one. So you choose it. Okay, you select it, then it will take you to the blog. Okay, so this is the interface. Okay, so we have a pop-up menu asking whether we love sports. If you love sports, you click on it. It will take you to our live streaming lesson, where you can watch your football matches over there. So we are not interested in that, so just click on this one, this close button. But if you want to watch it, you just click on watch now. It will take you to, it will open a new tab and take you to the streaming page. It's also our page, so you can go and watch live matches over there. Okay, so like I said, we are not interested, so you just close it. So you want to know how to download or get the free VPN files. So on the menu over there, in the menu we have the VPN files. And here we have our apps too are there. You have the Ludo game. If you're a fan of game, you can go there and enjoy yourself. Here too you have live TV. So live TV too, we have a couple of channels over there that you can also watch your live TV over there. And when you go to this side, this button, the top left corner, click on it. We have our super tools. The tools, we have tools, internet. You have internet speed checker, CC generator. Those who know it. We have the YouTube thumbnail generator, Google Drive. We have a whole lot of tools over here. So if you need any tool, you can come and cross check. Okay, so let's go back to business. So we are interested in the VPN files. So here we have to just click on the VPN files, the menu. Let's click on it. Let's close it. Oh, these ads are worrying. The ads are really worrying. Okay, let's click on it again. Okay, so the page has opened, and so here we have the Android. This is the Android page, the Android files page. Okay, Android files page. And those of you who want to download the iPhone files, here is the iOS or the iOS or iPhone files. And here we have the Android unlimited files. Okay, but we are taking it step by step. So here we have the Android file. You scroll down. So if you want the ZVPN, you click on it. If you want the Navsanet V, if you want the SOCKSIP, the HTTP custom, the HTTP injector, open tunnel, SOCKS HTTP files, the NETMOD. So any of them that you want, you click on it. Okay, then you come here, you come to the iPhone. This is the iPhone or the iOS files. You click on it. You click on the blue this over there. it will take you to where the iPhone files are, because you can't combine all of them on one page. So you scroll down. So here we have the iPhone files, that's the NETMOD V files. You have them here. So you click on this thing. Okay, click on it. It will take you to where the files are. Okay, so you just follow the link. It will help you to download it onto your phone. Okay, good. So let's go to the unlimited files. So there is the unlimited files, this link. Okay, so let's click on it. The unlimited files are for the Android. Okay, for the Android, scroll down. So we have the unlimited files. We have the HTTP custom file, we have the ZVPN files, and we have the SOCKSIP, the unlimited files. Okay, so any of them that you want, you just click on the name or the image. Okay, so let's click on the ZVPN and see what happens. So like I said, it will take you to where the is. Though it has a direct download link, but it will open a new tab for you to download it. Okay, it won't take you to your Google Drive. It will just open a new tab for you to download it, because we've made it easy for you guys. Okay, so I think that's all for now. So like I said, in order to support us, once in a while you click on any ad like this. You can click on any of the ads to support us. Okay, so you keep updating our blog and our YouTube channel. Anyway, thanks for the 200 subscribers.